Ladies and gentlemen, you're very, very welcome indeed to the 2022 Northern Ireland Plumbing and Heating Awards. We're celebrating the absolute best of this amazing industry, and we celebrate the incredible achievements of our local contractors and supply chain. Tonight is all about you, so please enjoy yourselves. It's all about the individuals, the companies who are at the heart and soul of the plumbing and heating industry here in Northern Ireland.
Are you going to enjoy yourselves tonight?
Congratulations to all our finalists, our highly commended winners, and the winners of each category tonight.
You really deserve a huge, huge round of applause for yourselves for what you've even achieved to be mentioned here tonight.